Let's see how Find-IT could help you utilize the Quinte Branch Research Library in your family history research. Assuming this is a search for research materials for Stephen Hogle, we could start by putting his name in the global search box. Find-IT would return entries or records, one to each line, from its database. Each line represents information or a record on one person in the database. Because we use the global search box, the only requirement for the database to select a particular record is that the word Stephen and the word Hogle each appear once somewhere in the record. This means that Stephen could be a surname, a given name, or appear in the title of a volume in the research library. The same would apply to the name Hogle. This approach works best with a fairly non-specific search. To identify the resources specifically for Stephen Hogle, a more exact approach would be to put the word Hogle in the surname search box and the word Stephen in the given names search box. This search produces fewer entries, but all of the entries relate to a record for a Stephen Hogle. Clicking the PDF button automatically downloads a digital copy of the search results to the default download folder on your computer. Clicking the Print button sets up your default printer to print the records you have found in landscape orientation. Be aware of how many records you have found before you print. Researchers who live at a distance from the Quinte Branch Research Library can generate either a digital or printed list of names and resources and place a request for research by Quinte Branch volunteers. This request can be made by postal service, phone, or email to the Quinte Branch research team. A modest nominal amount is charged for this service.